Which river runs through Paris? Seine. Which large forest is mostly located in Brazil? Amazon. In which continent is Australia located? Oceania. Which ocean is on the west coast of Canada? Pacific Ocean. Which famous wall is in China? Great Wall. The city of New York is in which country? USA. The Black Forest is a famous area in which country? Germany. The city of Liverpool is famous for what band? The Beatles. Which city is the second largest in Russia after Moscow? St. Petersburg. The Taj Mahal is located in which country? India. What is the name of the sea between Korea and Japan? East Sea, Sea of Japan. Which city in Italy is famous for its Leaning Tower? Pisa. In which continent is Mexico located? North America. Which color is most often linked to Ireland? Green. The famous Running of the Bulls event happens in which country? Spain. Which country is known for its many tropical islands in Southeast Asia? The Philippines. Mecca and Medina, important religious sites, are in which country? Saudi Arabia. The famous temples in Bangkok are called what? Watts. Which mountain is the highest in Japan? Mount Fuji. The land of windmills and tulips is which European country? The Netherlands. Which city in the UAE has the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa? Dubai. New Zealand is famous for which flightless bird? Kiwi. The Acropolis is a famous ancient site in which city? Athens. The island of Bali is part of which country? Indonesia. What is the main food often associated with Singapore? Chicken rice. The dance called tango comes from which South American country? Argentina. The pyramids of Giza are located near which major city? Cairo. Which famous leader was imprisoned on Robben Island in South Africa? Nelson Mandela. Which famous mountain range passes through Switzerland? The Alps. Which European country is famous for its chocolates and waffles? Belgium. The famous story character The Little Mermaid statue is in which city? Copenhagen. In which continent is Iran mostly located? Asia. The city of Istanbul is in which country? Turkey. The northern lights, aurora borealis, are often seen in which region? Nordic countries. Qatar is located on the coast of which famous body of water? Persian Gulf. The country of Portugal shares a border with only one other country. Which one? Spain. Which river splits the city of Budapest in two? Danube. The region of Transylvania known for its myths is in which country? Romania. Which country is directly east of Sweden across the sea? Finland. The Twin Towers, Petronas Towers, are located in which capital city? Kuala Lumpur. Which famous mountain, K2, is partially located in Pakistan? Karakoram Range. In which region is Georgia, the country, mainly located? Eurasia, Caucasus. The country of Poland was the starting point of which major world war? World War II. Oman is located on the southeast coast of which famous peninsula? Arabian Peninsula. Which large lake or sea borders Azerbaijan to the east? Caspian Sea. The major river system of Ganges-Brahmaputra flows through which country? Bangladesh. The ancient temple complex of Angkor Wat is in which country? Cambodia. In which continent is Afghanistan located? Asia. Which country shares a long land border with North Korea to the north? China. Which two large countries border the small country of Eswatini? South Africa and Mozambique.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.